Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the capital account. As in previous video we talk about the meaning of BOP and then we talk current account. Okay, current account of BOP, as mainly there are three components of BOP: current account, capital account and officially reserve account. So we have discussed that current account include the export and import of goods, of visible goods and invisible goods, means services, okay, and unilateral transfer. It means the one-sided payment like gift, donation, grant, okay. So today we will discuss about the capital account. So capital account is that account which shows the transaction of a country with the rest of the world, which create assets or reduce assets and liability of a country with rest of the world. Okay, it means in capital account we include all such transactions which have impact on the creation and reduction of assets and liability of a country with the rest of the world. Okay, so in capital account means there is future claim. In transaction there is a future claim. For example, if a country is borrowing money from the other country, so that is included in capital account. Okay, FDI means investment by our domestic country in the foreign country, so that will be shown in the capital account. Okay, so sometimes confusion is created as capital account, the name capital account. So we also think that confusion is raised that the export and import of capital goods, for example plant, machinery, so these are included in capital account or current account. Yes? What answer will you give? Export and import of capital goods like plant, machinery will be included in capital account or current account? So the answer is current account. As in current account we have discussed that in current account we include export and import of visible goods. It means the plant, machinery, these are visible goods. So export and import of these goods are always included in current account. Okay, current account. Export and import of capital goods and consumer goods is always shown in current account. It means it has nothing to do with the capital account. Okay, so export and import of all the machinery, plant, visible goods, invisible goods, services, that are included in current account. So what we include in capital account, mainly there are two components of capital account. So the first is borrowing and the second is investment. Okay, the first is borrowing and the second is investment. So mainly borrowings are two types. First is external commercial borrowing and the second is external assistance. Then the investment we have two types: portfolio investment and FDI, means foreign direct investment. Okay, so external commercial borrowing, these type of borrowing are available in international market at the market rate of interest, at market rate of interest. Commercial borrowings are available in the international market at the market rate of interest, and external assistance, these borrowings are available at concessional rate of interest. Okay, concessional rate of interest. Then the second we have portfolio. Investment is also of two types, portfolio and FDI. So portfolio investment, what is portfolio investment? Portfolio investment is that investment which the foreign, we can say foreigner, do the investment in our domestic companies. It means that they are purchasing in portfolio, first portfolio investment. The investor investing in our domestic economy, they are purchasing bond, shares of domestic company. Okay, so that is called portfolio investment. Okay, then we have FDI, foreign direct investment. It means there is a change in the ownership of the companies. फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट में क्या होता है कि जो कंपनी का ओनरशिप है वही पूरा चेंज हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से वॉलमार्ट इन इंडिया. वॉलमार्ट इन इंडिया आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ FDI, foreign direct investment. It means there is change in Walmart, there is change in the ownership of company from domestic investor to the foreign investor. Okay, so in portfolio investment, only the bonds and share means there is a partnership in the company by the foreign investor, and in FDI, foreign direct investment means there is a change in the ownership of the companies. So this is about investment and borrowing. So these are the main components of capital account. There are also other components of capital account like banking. Other components are banking. So banking is also included in capital account as banking play the role of changing the currency, means they convert the foreign currency into domestic currency. So these all services are shown in the capital account. Okay, then we have second NRI deposit. Okay, NRI deposit. NRI means non-residents of India. So NRI deposit is included in capital account. Okay, one thing is being clear in mind that means the NRI that living in the foreign and sending इनकम टू द फैमिली, मीन्स वो अपनी फैमिली को पैसे भेज रहा है, इनकम सेंड कर रहा है. सो दैट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द NRI डिपॉजिट. ओके, सो दैट इज इंक्लूडेड लाइक देयर इज नॉन रेजिडेंस ऑफ इंडिया, देयर इज NRI पर्सन एंड ही यूज्ड टू डिपॉजिट द मनी इन आवर बैंकिंग सिस्टम. ओके, in our domestic economy. So that is included. Then third we have short term credit. Okay, short term credit. So short term credit is also shown in capital account. As in short term credit, there is purchase of goods in the international market without immediate payment. Means तभी की तभी payment नहीं होता है, and उसका payment करने के लिए जो पैसा देना पड़ता है to the rest of the world. So that is included in capital account. Okay, so if there is outflow of foreign currency in the country, that is shown by the minus, negative sign. Okay, and if there is inflow means outflow is there, then it is shown by the minus, negative sign, and if there is inflow of the currency, then it is shown by the positive sign. Okay, inflow of the foreign currency in the country is shown by the positive and outflow is shown by the negative sign in the capital account. Okay, so short term credit are also included in capital account. These are other components, like we have also discussed main components, borrowing and investment. In borrowing we have discussed external commercial borrowing, then external assistance. It means these are available at some concessional rate of interest and these are available at market rate of interest. Then we have portfolio and FDI in investment. Portfolio means purchasing of bond share of our domestic company by the foreign investor, and FDI means there is change in the ownership of company. Okay, a foreign investor purchased our domestic company, so there is totally change in ownership. Then we have other banking, NRI deposit and short-term credit. So students, all these are components of capital account. So we have discussed about the capital account of balance of payment. So watch the video and also read from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.